Ramadan is not only a time to improve ourselves, it is also a time to carry guidance to others. Going where there is need and giving sermons and advice, day 12. Going to neglected places where people wish to learn religious knowledge, yet cannot even find someone to lead them in prayer, and offering sermons and advice to them. Finding individuals who can guide them, lead their prayers, and help them with matters related to their religious life. All of this is among the important paths of goodness. During the month of Ramadan, when we look at the lives of the noble companions, we see that only a few of them passed away in Madinah. The vast majority migrated to the east, west, north, and south, to all corners of the world, in order to convey the truth. Each of these companions was like a star, illuminating the path for people. There are many beautiful examples we can take from them in this regard. Making use of the blessed atmosphere of Ramadan for such outreach will multiply reward, bring meaningful, positive change into our lives, and lead to real action, not only in fulfilling the duty of conveying truth, but also in strengthening our own personal worship and spiritual life. Ramadan teaches us that faith grows when it is shared. Carry knowledge with humility. Serve where there is need. Let this month turn worship into action. If this reminder benefited you, like the video, comment below. Would you consider helping spread Islamic knowledge where it is needed? Subscribe to Light of Iman and stay with us for day 13 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah make us means of guidance for others. Ameen.